After a long wait, OnePlus Nord 2 has been finally launched. So let's take a quick look at its official specs and pricing. The Nord 2 design looks almost identical to the OnePlus 9 and it's available in 3 colors: Grey Sierra, Blue Haze and Green Wood. Nord 2 features 6.43 inches of Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display with 90Hz of refresh rate and in-display fingerprint sensor. And coming on to its performance, Nord 2 is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 1200 AI chipset. Coming on to cameras, Nord 2 5G features a triple rear camera in which you get a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 primary sensor with OIS, 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixel mono lens. For selfies, you get a 32 megapixel snapper. Also guys, OnePlus Nord 2 is the first smartphone to run on the Oxygen OS 11.3 based on Android 11. And now talking about the battery life, Nord 2 packs a 4500 mAh battery with a 65 watts of warp charge fast charging support. And other than this, Nord 2 neither has the 3.5mm headphone jack support nor the expandable memory card slot. As for the 5G band support, the Nord 2 offers 4 NSA bands and 7 SA bands, which is a huge upgrade. And time to know Nord 2's price. Nord 2 6GB plus 128GB variant comes at a price of Rs 27,999 and it will go on sale in August 2021. The 8GB 128GB variant is priced at Rs 29,999 and the 12GB 256GB variant comes at a price of 34,999. Apart from this, the 12GB 256GB variant in India exclusive greenwood color option with the pricing of Rs 34,999 goes on sale from August 2021. So that was all about OnePlus Nord 2 5G. How did you like the phone? Let us know in the comment box. Don't forget to like and share this video.